Hi, I'm Maddie Weiner, editor of Tire Review magazine. And instead of being in our Continental Tire garage studio today, we're here at the Petty Museum in Level Cross, North Carolina, sitting down with the king himself, Richard Petty. Well, Richard, thanks so much for taking the time to speak with us today. We really appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks for coming by.
Yeah, and awesome. I mean, this is our first time here, and we are just blown away. So many cool things here from your career.
You got to figure we've been here since 1949.
Right.
Okay, and a bunch of the stuff you see in the museum and stuff is just left over from that part, and then all 70 years of collecting stuff, well, accumulating stuff. So we got all kinds of different things, different cars, trophies, awards. Anybody gets a chance need to come by the museum in Level Cross.
For sure, yes. Well, we are witness to that, that's for sure. Now, I wanted to ask you about Petty's Garage. I know you founded it in 2008. Can you share the story of how Petty's Garage came to be?
Well, really, we used to have all the Petty enterprises all operated out of the home place here in Level Cross.
Yeah.
And in 08, 09 somehow, anyhow, we moved to Mooresville with the racing organization. So we had all the equipment, all the people here, plus there was 3 or 4 of the guys that worked here for a lot of years, didn't want to make the drive every day and all that. So I said, okay, we got this museum here. I got 6, 8 cars that need to be rebuilt, and these guys had built them in the first place. So I said, let's just go through some of the cars and start fixing them up for the museum. And then the first thing you know, some guy drives through and says, hey, can you do this to the car? Can you paint the car? Can you take my T-model and make it run again? And it's the first thing you know, we had Petty Garage. And it just grew from that part of it.
The partnership between Petty's Garage and Continental started in 2012. So how's that going?
It's going really great. I don't really know how it really happened, whether some of their people just dropped by and wanted a car worked on, or just come by to see the museum or what. And they got to talking to some of my guys, and first thing I know, they cut a deal to, do nothing but the Continental Tires here. So it's been a heck of a good combination for us and hopefully for them, because, we got show trucks and stuff we take to different venues, some of the racetracks, a lot of car shows and stuff like that. So they've been really good to work with us on that particular part of the deal. And, then we had a bunch of cars that had to have some new tires, so Continental was the way to go.
and you guys have worked on some pretty legendary builds together, Petty's Garage and Continental. One that comes to mind is the 1981 Buick Regal replica, which was a vehicle you won your 7th Daytona 500 victory with. So tell me about, I guess, one of your favorite builds that Petty's Garage has done with Continental.
Well, that was really a big deal. Right. We're working on our 79 championship car now, which is started a life, I think, as a 77 Chevrolet. And, they wanted one done. We said, look around, how you going to find one that's in decent shape? Finally found one somewhere here in North Carolina. And they brought the thing in and just completely disassembled it. And, we got the chassis out there that they all painted and got it all fixed up. And I think the body and stuff's in the body shop they're getting ready to do. So, that is really a big car in my arsenal because we won the championship with that car in '79. So it's always a special place. And they're building this car. It's going to be a race car replica, but it's going to be a street car. You'll be able to legally drive it up and down the street. So that's a little bit of a challenge too, to be it. People look at it from the outside, and it's a race car, and then when you get to looking at it, it's a road car. So they're going to do a good job out here.
Will you be driving it around here? Can we see you?
They won't let me drive. They've seen me drive before. So anytime they get new cars and stuff, they say, everybody can drive it but me. Well, I still got a little bit of racing in me, so some of these cars probably shouldn't be racing around with.